Assalamu alaikum. Today we will study the remaining topics of the chapter, the characteristics of living things. Looking for life and identifying life. Could there be life on Mars? The planet's surface looks lifeless, but perhaps there are living things hidden in the soil. This probe scooped up Martian soil to test it for signs of life. In 1976, scientists sent a probe to Mars to test this idea. The probe added nutrients to some Martian soil and warmed it up. Any life in the soil should use the nutrients for respiration, like life on Earth. That would produce wastes like carbon dioxide. Just as they hoped, some carbon dioxide formed. A single piece of evidence can be misleading. Scientists like to have strong evidence from more than one experiment before they accept any explanation. The probe also tested the soil for chemicals found in living things. They found nothing. They were forced to accept a different explanation. There is nothing living in the Martian soil. The soil itself must be able to release carbon dioxide from nutrients. But could life have existed there in the past? In 2012, a new probe called Curiosity began to collect evidence about Martian rocks. Rocks show scientists what the climate was like in the past. Perhaps there was a time when living things could exist on the planet's surface. Even here on Earth, life can be hard to detect. These grass seeds are dry. They don't show any of the characteristics of living things, but they are not dead. They can stay like this for thousands of years. Dry grass seeds may not show any signs of life. When they absorb water, they come to life. Each tiny seed uses nutrients stored inside it for respiration. It grows a tiny root and shoot. These sense which way to grow. The shoot extends to move into sunlight, then it can make more nutrients so a whole new grass plant can grow. So the summary of the chapter comprises: all living things move, respire, sense, grow, reproduce, excrete, and use nutrients at some stage in their lives. Now it's your homework to answer the questions. Thank you for watching my video.